Good morning, world. Yippee. Let's go. Ooh, stairs. Don't try this at home, kids. Only Barney can do this. Cooking with Chef Barney. Today we're gonna cook chicken. That's some nice crispy chicken strips. Now what you gotta do is open the bag. Alright. Next, I think you gotta... Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. No. No. There we go. Alright, now you gotta cook it somehow. We use this because it's easier. I almost forgot. You can't just grab food with your hands like that. The food might get coronavirus. Alright. Just open the bag. And open that too. Now open the bag again. Grab some chicken. And put it in there. Easy. Just keep doing this until the right amount of chicken you want is past its power. Now when you're done, you have to put the bag away. Hello, fridge. That's your new home. Alright. Now that that's done, you put it on, like, toast. On toasty time. And you just let it grow. You don't have